Good morning, students. Today, once again, I am going to discuss about the formation of image formed by concave lens in class 10 physics. Today, we will learn about the formation of image formed by concave lens. To locate the position and nature and size of the image by the concave lens, we obey any two of the following rules. There are some rules to which we can apply during the formation of image by concave lens, or as we know that concave lens always forms virtual image, erect image, which is very smaller in all cases. Okay, so what are these rules? The rule 1, which can be applied during the formation of the image: incident ray of light parallel to the principal axis, after the refraction, it appears to pass through the focus of the lens, concave lens. We will draw later. Second rule: light ray passing through the optical center of the lens after the refraction, it travels straight without any deviation. As earlier we know, rule 3, which can be also applied during the formation of the image by concave lens: light rays appearing to meet at focus after the refraction, it becomes parallel. It moves parallel to the principal axis of the concave lens. So these are the rules which can be applied. Any two rules we take and we can draw easily the image formed by the concave lens. So case 1, first of all, we will discuss about the position when object is kept at infinity. When object is kept at infinity. When object is kept at infinity. Case 1, when object is kept at infinity of the lens, then image is formed at focus. So nature, what will be the nature? We will see by drawing the ray diagram of that. So this is concave lens, this is concave lens, and if an object is kept here at very far away like infinity, then after the refraction, incident ray parallel to the principal axis, after the refraction it moves away, appears to pass through focus. Next diagram, again ray diagram parallel to principal axis, after refraction it moves away, diverges away, and it appears to pass through focus where image is formed. So, first nature is virtual image. Virtual image is formed. Second, erect image. Erect. These are the characteristics. And third, very small image will be formed. So this is the first case in which image of an object is formed at focus if object is kept at infinity. If object is kept at infinity. Second case, when case 2, when object is, case 2 we can write here, case 2, when an object is kept between optical center and infinity, then image is formed. Where is the image formed? Image will be formed between C and F. Position of the image, it is formed between C and focus. How is? Just let us draw its image, ray diagram. This is concave lens and this is optical center. This is F1 or F2 you can write here. F2. This is the object AB. Now try to take incident ray parallel to principal axis. After refraction, it diverges away from the focus. So it passed from the focus. Now like that, where it will pass, it will be through the focus. Second rule apply, incident ray passes through the optical center, it moves away. It moves away where image is formed. AB is image, A dash, B dash is image, AB is object, and here HO. This is HI, height of image. So here height of image is less than height of object. That means diminished image is formed. Height of image is less than height of object. So this is the case second in which image is formed in between F2 and C. Okay, any object if kept put, image will be formed between F2 and C. What is nature? So nature, it appears clearly. Its nature is virtual, erect. Third point, very small image is formed, diminished image is formed. Okay, so we can find the position of the image with the help of this ray diagram, and this place very important role during the formation of image by concave lens. By the concave lens, AB is object once again which is kept here in front of the lens, and incident ray AD, after the refraction it moves away and it appears to move through focus after the refraction. So imagine it is imaginary. So, and once again second rule, incident ray passing through the focus, passing through the optical center, passing through the optical center, see it moves straight after refraction. And just see here, there is a point where refracted ray appears to meet, where image is formed. Image is formed, which is very smaller, erect and virtual. Image is virtual. Okay, thank you, thanks.